tracks filled with morbid dreams and plans that never seem to work. Bigelow's right in my heart, hoping with the pain it's me. But every night comes back, creeping in like a ghost I can't escape. Reminding me that I'm just a lonely man in a world full of faces. I see their smiles, hear their laughter, but it all feels so far away. Like I'm watching life through a window, but I can't find the door. They say time heals, but all that's done is deep in this empty space. I'm stuck in this loop, chasing shadows, hoping for something more. I keep telling myself that someday someone will break through, but it's hard to believe every day feels the same as before.